The 2024 Ford Puma is designed for those who crave adventure with its sporty performance and sleek profile. Experience the quick-clear heated windscreen for instant visibility in cold conditions, while the pre-collision assist system helps enhance your safety by actively monitoring the road ahead. Step inside to find the Ford Sync 3 navigation pack for intuitive connectivity and a Sensico leather steering wheel for enhanced comfort while driving. Call or visit Hendy Ford Horsham today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Ford Puma. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.